Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can insert special characters in Google Docs. So this contains symbols, emojis, currencies, some math symbols, etc. So let's get started. You want to place the cursor where you want to place the symbol. So after that you want to go to insert, then from the drop down you want to find symbols, and here you can see special characters. If you open this, it's going to show you this menu which you can move around. And then first category you can choose from the symbol emoji, and you have many different categories. I'm going to keep this on the symbol. And here in the another section you can choose the ones you are probably looking for. So you have currency, you have some arrows, emoticons, you have some math symbols, subscript, superscript. So for example, let's say we can try this subscript. So if you want to type H2O, you need to use this subscript. So I'm going to type H, normal, then number 2, and now I can type O. So we have H2O as an example. Or you can use this for the currencies. I can type 200, and let's say we can put dollar sign or symbol. So $200. So this is all for this video, how you can insert special characters in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.